Is taking CPP at the age of 60 a good idea, or should you consider taking CPP at normal retirement age 65, or potentially defer up until the age of 70? The very basics that most people are familiar with are that, as I said earlier, normal retirement age is age 65, but you could start collecting CPP at the age of 60 at a reduced amount. And essentially the difference between age 65 versus age 60 is a 35% reduction. And if somebody was going to defer up until the age of 70, it's about a 40% bonus. And this is a lifetime reduction and also a lifetime bonus. So is it a good idea to defer, or is it a good idea to start to collect as early as possible? Well, it depends mostly on your life expectancy. But generally, the odds are in your favor. If you're in good health, you should try to defer as long as possible, because based on statistics in Canada, life expectancy at the age of 65 for a married couple, there's a 50% chance that one of the spouses will live up until the age of 94, and there's a 25% chance that one of the spouses will live up until the age of 98. And again, life expectancy at the age of 65 for a male is age 84, and for a female, it's age 87. So the stats are actually on your side if you were to defer or collect as late as possible. If somebody was to defer CPP till the age of 70, the annual amount, estimated annual future amount, would be just over $23,253. You could also defer your OAS, old age security, and if you were to defer OAS and CPP till the age of 70, based on 2024, the total amount received between CPP and OAS would have been just under $34,894. So what is the bottom line? For somebody who is turning age 60 in 2024, if this person was to start collecting at the age of 60, by the age of 90, he would have received $425,000 in CPP benefit, assuming 2% inflation and maximum benefit. If this person waited until the age of 65, the amount would have increased to $579,000 by the age of 90. If you were to defer up until the age of 70, the total amount received by the age of 90 would have been just over $688,000. As you can see, statistics are in your favor, but there are other variables like what other income sources, what other assets will you have in retirement, family health, health history, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions regarding deferring CPP, OAS, or any other retirement planning subjects, please shoot me an email. Feel free to give us a quick call. Please like the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.